We here at Cranbourne's Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respect to their elders past, present and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
When we sing with pride and stand up straight.
We welcome you to sign along with Oslin as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Just a reminder that next Friday is Superhero Day.
Come to school dressed up as your favorite superhero or even your own creation.
Make a donation because you might want to pass to Moonlit Sanctuary.
Can't wait to see all the costumes next Friday the 24th.
Hi there, our app is called Exciter. This app helps people with anxiety. Our target audience is 5+. Let's show you how our app works. This is our main page. You can log in, sign up, or find out what it's about. Anxiety is an app for kids 5+ or for anyone with anxiety. Anxiety will reduce your anxiety and stress with options of coloring, music, books, memes, cute animals, and gifts. Guess what? You can also message us. Let's do coloring. Let's go to food. Cars. Fairies. Let's go on to cute animals. Cats. Or dogs. Now feelings.
The name of our app is called Abs. It is to help solve the problem of people overweight, unhealthy, and want abs. Our target audience is anybody 18+ and particularly who want to lose weight.
So this is our front page, and if you click the login button, you'll find a page that you can type your username and password in. If you go to sign up, you have to type in your email address, your password, and your date of birth.
Top one is beginner, lose belly fat. And then the second one is intermediate, rock hard abs. And then the third one is advanced 6-packs.
We put in pictures of ourselves doing the exercises. The exercises include star jumps, burpees, and push-ups. If you need any help, all you have to do is go to this page and you get this fake number that you can call. And if you want to get some motivation, you can click on the exercise music and you have all these exercises.
Our app is called My Book. It's to help people write and publish books.
The target audience is 12, but anyone who wants to write can also use it as well.
Let's show you how it works. This is my book's main page. You can log in, and if you're a new user, you can also sign up. This is the page where you can choose from picture gallery, write a story, or drawings and lessons. You can choose from animals, body parts, or scenery. You can click for more as well. You can choose from fonts and sizes.
Okay, so my name's Jordan from 4L and I'm going to be showing you how to fold a crane. First, you're gonna, if you have square paper, fold it in diagonally to one corner. Make sure you align your corners. Then you're gonna open that up and you're gonna do it the opposite way. Take the wings and fold it up, and then we're going to repeat it on the other side, and there you go, you have your crane.
That was beautiful.